You a hater, you a hater, you a hater. You didn't have to show, I could tell. You at the wishing well, wishing down for my fail. I'm looking up to God, wishing you well. God, they tryna turn me to a monster. Every year I'm a conquer. Okay, see, I bring the thunder. Walking in humble, Ali Muhammad. Sting you like Bumble, running with pride.
It's for the niggas. Ride down Slauson. 6 foes hopping. Bitches popping. It's like 10 in the morning. Hopped up like my 6'4". Flow so cold, I make a numb bitch get low. This is for the homies, Honey Stone, y'all crypto. Catch me in the hood all day. What is hitting for? This east of the streets, nigga, west of the fucking coast. Get it for the high, but I can get it for the fucking low. Say that that's your bitch, but we fucked her up. I'm young Snoop Dogg, we don't love them hoes. Now bow wow wow, yippee yo, yippee yay. Woof, motherfucker, the east came to play. Cow gun, taking me away. Hoes screaming, let me ride like a Snoop and Drake. But I feel like Pac to live and die in LA. All blue chucks help me walk this way. See this east side shit help me talk this way. We got dogs over here, so don't balk this way.
You can't fade the phone. The east side still in me. And we hit the functions up. And you know we turn it up.
What up, my nigga?
Alright, what's up, my nigga, man?
Everything good with you?
Man, yeah, man, just chillin'.
Hey, man, this the man who make my music for me. Y'all hear the intro, that's the man right there. Hey, look, though, I need a shirt man, bro.
What are you trying to get done on?
He cut my shirt up, man. Look, he got served by some nigga.
You got served by who?
Yeah, man, the nigga slung the mine, bro.
For real?
Hey, he got served, bro. He got real served.
Nigga, this one ain't even no shirt no more, man.
He got it real. What you got me, though?
Yeah, man, I got you, bro. You know, what size you wear? Like, what, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10?
I ain't never served your ass.
Alright,
nah, we're 3, give me a 3.
I got you on the 3, bro. I got you on the 3.
Look, I don't really drink, but I'm turning up. Rolling up the strong, nigga, burn it up. Toast to my niggas, we the stars now. Last of a dying breed, the world is ours now. Nigga, girls used to tell me that I wasn't shit.
His girl say he worked here, but I don't see his car. I know he ain't riding that clean. His car ain't here. Probably gotta go to that nigga house. That's his ass right there. I hope you don't see my big ass shoulder pads though.
Man. With a fat ass camera.
Let me put this damn thing right here.
Oh, I bet.
Let me let him get down. Damn, he took off. Slowly. Yeah, I kind of felt it. He took off.
Slow play.
That's good right here. I don't want to get too close to him, but he's gonna feel like somebody's watching him. Trying to stay my distance.
Yeah, made his turn pro.
Yeah, I see.
I don't know where the hell it's going.
I'm telling you, man. I ain't on the guy. He getting got today. For where he go. He turned into this little washer right here. perfect. Go, hey, perfect. Perfect. Let's go. There's black.
What?
Come on. You went to wishing well, wishing down for my fam, looking up at God, wishing you well.
I ain't seen my little brother Weezy and K-Mo in a couple days. I know they feel like a brother, neglecting them and acting Hollywood, but it ain't like that. Just been trying to do my own thing, you know. I think it's time I go pull up on the board.
Oh, what's up, man?
What you talking about?
You been good, man?
Yeah, what's up?
That's all I ain't heard from you, man.
Bro, I've been sick.
Me or Ken? I ain't heard from
I
you.
called y'all, I texted y'all, y'all nasty.
No, you did.
No.
You did.
Bro,
I seen your video, though.
I know.
You recorded and shit? Both of y'all niggas. Y'all don't need a nigga no more, huh?
Bro, what the fuck are you talking about, bro?
Y'all don't need a nigga no more. When we gonna set a nigga up, bro? You said we could do the next one. We just did one without me, man. Hold on, man. I got a text message. It's Ken.
Man, Hollywood ass nigga don't never hold on to me.
I'm telling you here. Home with Prime. Bet y'all been wondering where I been at, huh? I ain't get left by Prime. I left Prime. Setup came back. Faded off. Faded off.
I got a surgery tomorrow, bro. You gonna do it or not?
Let's go. I've been ready, bro.
All right, then. Sweet lady, that.
Alright, man, big visceral looking ass nigga. That hoe look like a poncho on your ass. Fat ass cowboy.
That's all I see up here, little nose, man.
You can't sit on no motherfucking horse, nigga.
I'm dirty ass house shoes.
Boy, I mean, eat that nigga. You boy a hot dog just to drink the water. So hot dog water drink that ass off.
You the only nigga I know make great pants look dirty ass.
You the only nigga I know make a small into an extra large. Alright, man, I love you, Dad.
You can't fade the funk, the east side still in me. And we hit the functions up, and you know we turn it up. Got all the groupie love, all they wanna do is cut. Just turn it up some more. You know we got the streets on lock.
It's like 3 into the 4 and like 5 into the 6. Eastsiders in this bitch, so we had to represent like corduroy house shoes, croaker sacks, flannels too. Throwing up your set, hella chunky, whoa, whoa. I'ma keep it hood for the gangsters, nigga, for the dope dealers, even for the strippers, and that's how the east side go. Better ask Uncle Snoop, we don't love these hoes. So as the world rotates and my dick gets bigger, how many hoes wanna fuck this nigga? 80 degrees when I tell a trick, please raise up off these NUTs, cause you get none of these. And it's a roll call for the bangers. And all my niggas twisting up fingers. C's up, B's up, H's up, G's up, O's up, T's up, P's up, bitch, wow.
You can't